Now this is going to be a two-part vlog. The first part, as you just seen, is unboxing. The second part is going to be a demonstration of it, washing the caravan. We'll see how we get on. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you tune into the next one and see how it gets on washing the van. That's crap, start again. Hello and welcome to HitchUpAndtow. I have just received a portable power washer through the post from Leisure-Wise Accessories. A present from my wife. I think she's trying to tell me something.
Yes, wash your van.
We're looking at something like this because where we store our caravan, there's no electricity. And to use a jet wash through an inverter, I think would probably damage the battery in the caravan. So something like this I thought would be ideal. It's a portable pressure washer which you pump up. It comes with a brush, as you can see on the front, and a wand for the jet wash side of it. And we'll open it up and see what's inside. So, it comes quite a neat little container. It also comes with a brush and the wand, and more stuff. The nozzle for the end of the wand. And instructions. As you can see, it's a 10-litre capacity, and it says it's ideal for car, home, garden and leisure. They forgot to add caravan. Now you have a trigger on the hose. It's quite a long hose. I don't know if you can get all that in. Your pressure pump at the top. The brush, which just screws on. So you'd fill this up with water up to the maximum mark. Use the handle to pressurize it, and then pulling the trigger would allow water to come down to the brush and you could brush your caravan. I assume you can put some washing detergent in there for washing, and when you jet wash it off you just rinse it with clear water. I presume the wand as well is the same attachment, just unscrew. There is a rubber ring washer, you can see that on there. This seems to be either end it will fit to. So I will read all the instructions later. I'm just trying to give an idea. Of how it all goes together. And again, the trigger to operate the wand. It comes with a strap make it easy to carry around with you. And this side, I'm assuming it's a safety valve in case the pressure is too high. This is going to be a two-part vlog. The first part, as you've just seen, is unboxing and what we get in the box. Part 2 will be a demonstration of me washing the van, and we'll see how good it is. We will probably be using, I think it's Fenwick washing detergent. That's what we normally wash the van with and had no problems with it in the past. Just want to say we're not being sponsored by any of this. This was a present from my wife, and we're not being sponsored by LeisureWise or Fenwick or anything. These are products we brought and we use on our caravan. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully the next video will be out in a week or two. Thank you very much. Bye.